Now, we get a lot of consultations about scalp micropigmentation, especially after a hair transplant. I've had a lot of clients coming in for consultation after they've had a hair transplant, a couple of months out, and they want a scalp micropigmentation to actually hide the tiny dot scars at the back of their scalp. And I always have to turn them down and say, it's not time yet. This is always the question they ask me. Why can't I get a scalp micropigmentation? And when is the best time after a hair transplant? So if this is you planning to get scalp micropigmentation, you just had hair transplant and you don't know when is the best time to get scalp micropigmentation, you need to stop right here and watch this video to the end. And if you're coming across this video for the first time, my name is Dr. Chefu. I'm a hair transplant surgeon, a hair loss coach. I've helped thousands of my clients regain confidence through hair regrowth and hair transplant. Now, this is a question that is always on people's mind. When can I get scalp micropigmentation? I'm going to give you a couple of scenarios. In hair transplant, it's very important for you to read your post-op instruction. Most aftercare instructions give you the first 12 to 24 hours what to do, first 7 days or a week, first month, first 2-3 months what to do, when you can have a haircut, when you can dye your hair. Aftercare instructions are pretty extensive. They will give you all these instructions because wow, we know some clients, they are very busy with their lives, so we want to make sure we put as much in the aftercare so that you don't really have any reason to call except if it's an emergency. It means emergency that the clinic can handle, not emergency that you need to head to the hospital. So if you've not watched my video on the most important emergencies, go watch the video on YouTube. YouTube name is Dr. Chefu. So let's talk about the process of hair transplant first. So after your hair transplant, the first 1 week, we already know, I've always talked about what you need to do the first 24 hours. How to spray your hair, how to tap, 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 or dab, 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 and scrub, scrub, scrub. Then after a month, you can pretty much resume your day-to-day exercise, everything you need to do. Scalp micropigmentation makes use of needles and also deposition of pigment into your scalp. So what is my recommendation? So number one, before you think about scalp micropigmentation, why do you need a scalp micropigmentation? What area are you trying to cover? If you're trying to cover the area of extraction, which is your donor area, then that's a problem because there was possibly over harvesting of your donor area, which is typically not good. So if that's the issue over harvesting, now you can get a scalp micropigmentation. That's okay. So my next point is, are you trying to do scalp micropigmentation in the area transplant? That means the recipient area, which is typically the front or the mid scalp or the crown. Now, if that is the reason why that you need the scalp micropigmentation to give the illusion of full hair density, so the best time is typically 6 to 9 months. Yes. So with any procedure after hair transplant, I recommend 6 to 9 months. To be on the safer side, 9 months, but 6 months is also okay. Then within 6 months, your scalp skin is already healed, your hair is already growing. You typically have to wait because that scalp micropigmentation can actually cause you to have some inflammatory response. Now, another reason why 6 months is ideal, you have to give your hair a chance to grow. Don't go rushing to get scalp micropigmentation. I tend to see this a lot, especially in a lot of my clients that want the scalp micropigmentation. After we wait till at least 6 to 9 months, I tend to see they no longer need the scalp micropigmentation. So if this is you thinking about scalp micropigmentation, my recommendation is to wait, okay? And if you've watched this video to the end, I'm sure you're going to love all of my videos on YouTube. YouTube name is Dr. Chefu. Head over to YouTube and watch the videos. Now, if you've loved this video, and you're thinking about scalp micropigmentation, you are even thinking about what are my options if you're dealing with hair loss. You don't even know what your options are. The first step is to make an appointment with us. We offer free virtual appointments 7 days a week. Someone from my team will get in touch with you, talk to you, and guide you through the next step on what to do. Until next time, bye-bye.